Hello, welcome to the online class of STBA. I hope you all are well. In today's class, we are going to read chapter 3 from semester 1. The name of the chapter is Who Robbed the Restaurant. The story is about a girl named Preeti and her father's restaurant. The restaurant was managed by a manager whose name was Ganesh, and one day there was a robbery, and all the case was solved, how Preeti showed her smartness and helped her father. So in this chapter we are going to read that. So let's start the class. Okay students, now the chapter Who Robbed the Restaurant. Preeti loved to dine out her parents' restaurant when her parents started in a year ago. They spent all their time at the restaurant managing it. However, as the restaurant became more and more popular, they decide to hire a manager. Hire means to appoint an employee or a manager who can look after the hotel in their absence. It is so nice to have someone else take care of the restaurant in the evenings so that we can have some time ourselves and also make plans to open another restaurant, her father said. So why they were appointing manager? So they can free from all the work of this restaurant. What is the name of the restaurant? Dine Out. And besides of managing this restaurant, they can plan for opening one more restaurant. For that they appoint a manager. Her mother agreed. It's like being on a vacation. But Preeti did not like the manager. There was something about the way he looked over his shoulder all the time, as if he was up to something. He was not even friendly with the staff. So Preeti's parents appoint a manager who can look after the restaurant. But Preeti did not like the manager. Why she did not like? Because he always looked up over his shoulders and he was not friendly with the other people, with the staff. Late one evening, Preeti was just dropping off to sleep when the phone rang. Who would be calling this late? She wondered. She climbed out of the bed and pressed her ear against the wall. So, at the late night, the phone rang. She was wondered who is calling at this time. So she was trying to hear the voice or hear her father's reaction on the phone. Oh no, her father was exclaiming. Exclaiming means emotions. We will get to the bottom of it. I'm on my way there. Her father signed and hung up. So his father was very emotional, very sad, very shocked. We'll get to the bottom of it. I'm on my way there. Her father signed and hung up. Signed means deep breath, and hung up means end of one conversation. The manager just called from the restaurant. He was closing down for the day when a robber came in and stole all the money from the cash box. So when the manager was closing down the restaurant, a robber came and stolen all the cash from the cash box. What a bad luck. Let's go and find out what happened before we call the police. So her father said, let's go and find out what happened. After that we will take a help of police. So Preeti persuaded her parents to let her come along to the restaurant since she was going to be left alone in the house. So Preeti wants to come along with her parents. She said, that she will be alone in the house in this late night, and she convinced her parents to come with them. I don't trust that man, she told herself. To whom she did not trust? Yes, the manager. The manager was waiting inside, standing near the empty cash box. Tell us what happened, Mr. Ganesh, her father said. Who is Mr. Ganesh? Yes, the manager. So Preeti's father went to the hotel and asked the manager. The manager's name was Mr. Ganesh. He asked, what happened? This is very upsetting, sir, said Mr. Ganesh. Looking distressed, everyone had left for the night and I was alone. I was walking towards the door to lock it so that I could work at cash desk when a man burst in and shouted the door to lock it to burst in and shouted at me to turn around immediately and face the other way. I did as he said, and he took the money from the cash box. He then walked back away towards the door, and moment later I heard the door slam shut. When I turned around and saw that he was gone, I called you. So, what manager said? Manager said, at the time when everybody went away, he was locking the door and coming back to the desk to the cash desk. But at the same time, when a man burst in, means suddenly entered a person and shouted at him to turn around immediately and face the other way. Face the other way means face towards the wall. So, as the robber said, the manager did, and the robber took away all the money from the cash box and walked back. Back away means walk back towards the door, and a moment later I heard the door slam shut. Slam shut means when a person very rushly closed the door. When I turned around and saw that he was gone, and I called you. What did the man look like? Asked Preeti's father. And what he was wearing? He looked rough, Mr. Ganesh declared. I have seen him around the place. He was young and tall, with long hair and no mustache. बांटे जाओ तो प्लीज बांटे जाओ थोड़ा हाथ जोड़ो थे बांटे जाओ प्लीज हाँ मंगाओ हमारे गुलाब जामुन सब मंगाओ हाँ बाहर जाओ अरे हाँ मनु बाहर तो जा So Preeti's mother asked, at the time when he went away from the restaurant, have he heard any kind of sound of motorcycle or he ran away? I have no idea, said the manager, sounding irritated. Why he was irritated from the all kind of questions? Because he didn't have all these answers. I told you, he made me turn around as soon as he entered. I couldn't see the thing after that. Let's call the police now. Let's call the police now and don't touch anything. A team of experts from the police station will come to investigate. Investigate means inquiry. So, what Preeti's father said? Preeti's father said to do not touch anything for taking fingerprints as a proof of robber. Don't bother. Preeti interrupted. Interrupted means stop when someone is talking. Ganesh is lying about the robber. I'm sure he took all money himself. Preeti interrupted. You won't find anyone dressed like that because the real thief is right here in this room. Mr. Ganesh is lying about the robber. I'm sure he took all the money himself. So Preeti was very sure about the robber because she knew Mr. Ganesh is a robber, he took all the money from the cash box. So she said, you won't find anyone dressed like that. So Mr. Ganesh was lying that a person who is dressing like that. He was making a fake story. Look here, the manager started. No, you look here, said Preeti. If your back was turned to the thief all the time, how did you notice that he was wearing a t-shirt with the picture of an eagle on the back? So Preeti questioned to Mr. Ganesh that if he faced towards the wall, how did he notice that at the back of the t-shirt of thief or robber there was a picture of eagle? Because when we are standing towards the wall, our eyes will be towards the wall. We can't see what is at the back side of any person. When Preeti pointed out that, her parents started asking him questions, and before long he broke down and admitted of stealing the money. Broke down means wept or surrender. So when Preeti pointed out this, parents asked questions, and the Mr. Ganesh was broke down and he surrendered and admitted that he stolen the money. Stealing means robbery. The money was still in his briefcase. Preeti was happy that they had caught the thief before, but disappointed that her parent did not call the police. They decided to send him away and find a replacement as soon as possible. They felt anyone should be given a second chance. So Preeti was very smart. She pointed out the fake story of the Mr. Ganesh. So, but he was very disappointed from her parents because they didn't call the police and said that everybody must have a second chance. And they left the Mr. Ganesh, who was the manager of the restaurant. So students, what we learn in this chapter, that sometimes we don't like a person at first sight. What is about that person makes one dislike him or her? So Preeti didn't like that person because Preeti disliked the manager. Okay, so okay students, I hope you like the chapter, you like the story, and you learned the moral of the story. Thank you. Have a good day.